Another example from 2009. And as you see, this is again, it's worth 3 marks on Simpson rule. It could be just an application of it. Now let's see what's given to us. It's a diagram of a block of land, and you're given the dimensions here. The block is bounded by a river, of course, and the measurements are taken perpendicular from the river to the line AB. And as you see, there is so many sub-intervals, and you're not given the height. So let's work out first of all how many sub-intervals are there. It says here there's 6 sub-intervals. So have a look. So how many functions are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 functions, and that's why we have 6 sub-intervals. So n is equal to 6, right? Now we need to draw a table. You're given here that each sub-interval is equal to 50 meters. So that means it's a 50 each one of these. What does that represent? Presents h to us. H equal to 50. Before we start anything, we need to draw a table of values showing the 6 x values, and on the second row we will write the actual f values that's given to us. So on the second slide we'll see that. Now that we've drawn the table of values, so all I need from it is the top part, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sub-intervals, and the end values to 10 up to 240. Okay, now the formula, as we said, the area using Simpson rule, approximately h over 3. So our h is 50 over 3. We didn't need to calculate that. The endpoints, you start with the 210. As I previously said, let's multiply that odd and even thing. We just start with the 4 times the box directly after the first endpoint, 220 plus 2 times 200 plus 4 times 190 plus 2 times 210 plus 4 times 240, and plus the last one, which is 240. I know some students would say, or some teachers would say, okay, why don't we collect the ones with the 4 times and put them in a bracket, and then the 2 times and put them in a bracket, which is 4 times odd, 2 times even. So this is, some students prefer this so they don't get confused. Directly after the first one, 4 times that, 2 times that, 4 times that, 2 times that, 4 times that. That makes it easier for them to do and calculate. They don't want to remember odd and even. Okay, from that we get the area equal to approximately, it's all calculator work. So all you have to do, put everything on the calculator, and you will end up with 6,500 and square meters. This is approximately the area of the block of land. Quite simple. So if you're not given the table, you will have to put the table yourself.